This is magnitude of this vector. Direction, this angle is alpha. B sin theta by a plus b cos theta. B equal to a sin theta. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 by a common. So 1 plus cos theta. 2a sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by a into 2 cos square theta by 2. 2a 2a cancel equal to tan theta by 2. Tan inverse. Alpha equal to theta by 2. Result is that resultant is along angle bisector. Resultant vector is along angle bisector having magnitude a cos theta by 2. Now we will discuss about subtraction of two vectors. Subtraction of two vectors is simply addition of a vector and its negative. A vector and the negative of other vector. Subtraction is simply addition of first vector and negative of second vector. Subtraction of two vectors. Let vector A and vector B are two vectors. We have to find r dash vector A minus vector B. Simply r dash vector equal to vector A plus minus vector B. Then we have to find subtraction of two vectors, that is vector A minus vector B. Then we simply find vector A plus negative of vector B. This is same. Vector A, vector B, and angle theta is given. Then we have to find vector A minus vector B. That this is vector B. This is vector B. Angle is theta. This is vector minus B. And this is resultant r dash vector a minus vector b. This angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. Vector a, angle between vector a and minus vector b equal to vector a minus vector b, a smallest angle. If vector a is situated at this point, then this angle is vector pi minus theta. If vector a is replaced at this point, then the tail of vector a and minus vector b comes at single point, and a smallest angle is pi minus theta. So angle between vector a and minus vector b equal to pi minus theta. Be careful in finding angle between two vectors. Condition: we should follow the condition that two tail or two head are at a single point. Then vector a is replaced at this point such that vector a tails falls on this point. So the tail of vector minus vector b and vector a comes at this point, and the smallest angle is pi minus theta. So angle between vector a and minus vector b equal to pi minus theta. Resultant is simply given by r dash equal to under root of a square b square 2ab pi minus theta, a square b square cos pi minus theta. The cos pi minus theta minus cos theta, so 2ab cos theta. And this is the angle alpha. Alpha equal to tan inverse b sin pi minus theta by a plus b cos pi minus theta. Sin b pi minus theta sin theta, b sin theta by a minus b cos theta. So vector r dash equal to cos theta in alpha degree anti-clockwise direction. There alpha equal to in clockwise direction. There alpha equal to tan inverse b sin theta by a minus b cos theta. This is subtraction of two vectors. It's okay. Resolution of a vector in two rectangular components. Resolution of a vector in two rectangular components. Draw x-axis, y-axis. This is vector A making angle theta with x-axis. B draw from this point perpendicular and x-axis. Then by triangle law OB vector equal to A vector equal to OA vector plus AB vector. By triangle law, tail head equal to A vector. This is the alternate vector, and tail head is this vector. OA plus OB. OA magnitude into direction due x-axis plus AB magnitude, AB vector equal to AB magnitude along y-axis. In triangle OAB, angle A equal to 90. So OA equal to A OB cos theta equal to A cos theta, और AB equal to OB sin theta equal to A sin theta by trigonometry. A vector equal to OA, A cos theta along x-axis plus A sin theta along y-axis. This is the solution of a vector along x-axis and y-axis. Now we will discuss about unit vector. Unit vector. A vector whose magnitude is 1 and direction, a specific direction, is called a unit vector. They simply call a vector whose magnitude is 1. Whose magnitude